Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the divine force of Trinity, energy, time, and intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, in the boundless expanse of the cosmos, everything that exists, seen or unseen, is energy. It is the eternal pulse of creation, shaping galaxies, nurturing life, and flowing through every atom and soul alike. Existence itself is a grand symphony of energy in transformation, forever changing form, yet never ceasing to be. Time is the invisible essence of this transformation, the silent current through which energy evolves. It weaves the rhythm of creation and dissolution, turning potential into presence and movements into meaning. Time is the unseen architect of change, the measureless continuum within which the universe breathes, expands, and renews. Intelligence is the guiding wisdom, the supreme consciousness that designs, directs, and harmonizes this eternal dance. It is not merely intellect, but divine order, the unseen mind ensuring balance in the midst of infinite diversity. Together, these three, energy, time, and intelligence, form the sacred trinity of existence, governing all creation and sustaining the cosmic equilibrium. Yet, among them, time stands beyond comprehension, vast, unbounded, and undefinable. It transcends the confines of past, present, and future, existing as the eternal witness to the play of creation. Even energy and intelligence unfold only within its mysterious expanse. The master creator, in infinite wisdom, employs the power of time, blending energy and intelligence to shape existence according to the divine cosmic blueprint. Within this grand design lies humanity, a cherished creation endowed with consciousness, compassion, and choice. Upon the magnificent creation named Mother Earth, humanity was placed not as ruler but as custodian, to live in harmony with nature and preserve the abundance gifted with love. time, dynamic by nature, governs the rhythm of transformation. When intelligence aligns with higher consciousness, time becomes a catalyst of evolution. When misused, it turns into a mirror of imbalance. Thus, the pace of the universe reflects the state of awareness that guides it. This very cosmic code is inscribed within human DNA, a divine master program empowering every soul to use energy, intelligence, and time wisely. Humanity carries both potential and responsibility to build a more harmonious and enlightened world upon the blue jewel of existence, Mother Earth, the radiant gem in the crown of cosmic creation. What's the way forward? To understand this Trinity is to awaken to one's higher purpose. When human intelligence resonates with divine intelligence, energy finds direction and time aligns with destiny. Through conscious thought, noble action, and purity of intent, each soul can invoke the guidance of the cosmic intelligence, ever ready to illuminate the path when the call is sincere and the purpose pure. Every act of goodness expands light. Every moment of awareness adds brilliance to creation. As the inner sun awakens within, life transforms from struggle into symphony, from motion into meaning. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the divine words of Lord Krishna, as proclaimed in the revered Bhagavad Gita, I am the source of all creation. Everything emanates from me. The wise, knowing this, worship me with all their hearts. Thus speaks the eternal voice of the cosmos, the voice of energy, time, and intelligence in perfect unity. To live in harmony with this Trinity is to live in rhythm with creation itself, where knowledge becomes wisdom, existence becomes purpose, and life becomes a radiant offering to the eternal. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.